Question number 5. Okay. The diagram shows a laboratory experiment in which a feather falls from rest in a long evacuated vertical tube of length L. Okay, this is the vertical tube. So you start from here and it falls over here. It takes a time t. Okay. Now the feather takes a time t to fall from the top of the bottom to the tube. That's what I said. How far does the feather fall from the top of the tube in a time of 0.5 t? Okay, don't just assume it is half L. Okay, which is incorrect. So how? Why? What is the reason behind it? Because we know that it is under constant acceleration. So we can write L is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. What is a here? Gt square. Gt square. It takes a time t. Initial velocity is 0 because you dropped here, right, from rest. So therefore this should be equal to half g into t square. Now what is he asking? In a time 0.5 t, what is the distance traveled by it? In a time 0.5 t, so what you do is you write L dash is equal to half g into 0.5 t square. So 0.5 t whole square, not t square, right? So which should now be equal to half g into 0.25 t square, which should be 0.25 into half gt square. Now what is half gt square? L over here. So I will write this as 0.25 times L over here, right? So therefore the distance traveled by it from the top is going to be 0.25 L. So answer should be B.